In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a CC in Outlook. To begin, open the Outlook application on your device. This is the first step in sending your email effectively. You will see the familiar interface of Outlook, which is designed to help you manage your emails efficiently. Once the application is open, you are ready to move on to creating a new email. This initial action is crucial because it sets the stage for your communication. Next, click on the New Mail button. This button is typically located at the top left corner of the Outlook window. When you click it, a new email window will pop up, allowing you to enter the details of your message. This step is important as it gives you the space to craft your email and include all necessary recipients. Ensure that the new email window is clear before proceeding. If the CC field isn't visible, look for the option labeled CC or CC and BCC next to the To field. Clicking on this will reveal the CC field where you can add additional recipients. This step is essential as it allows you to include others in the conversation without making them primary recipients. By doing this, you ensure that everyone who needs the information can access it, while also keeping the primary recipient focused on the message's main point. Now, enter the primary recipient's email address in the To field. This is the person who you want to address directly. Make sure to double-check the spelling of the email address to avoid sending your message to the wrong person. Accuracy in this step is vital to ensure your communication reaches the intended recipient without confusion or delay. Next, enter the additional recipients in the CC field. You can add one or more email addresses here. This allows those individuals to receive a copy of the email as well. It's important to be mindful of how many people you include in the CC field, as it can affect the perception of your email. Keeping the group small ensures that the recipients are relevant to the discussion. Once you have included all the necessary email addresses, it's time to compose your email. Take a moment to write your message clearly and concisely. This is where you can express your thoughts or provide important information. A well-structured email helps ensure that your message is understood. Remember to keep your tone appropriate for your audience and always proofread for any errors before sending. Finally, click the Send button to deliver your email. This action will send your message, along with the CC recipients, directly to their inboxes. You will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that your email has been sent successfully. This is the final step in your process, and it's satisfying to know that your communication is now reaching all intended recipients. If you are using Classic Outlook on Windows, the process is similar. Start by opening Outlook and clicking on New Email to create a new message. This familiar step helps you transition seamlessly into composing your email just as before. If the CC field isn't visible in Classic Outlook, navigate to the Options menu and select CC. This action will reveal the CC field, allowing you to add additional recipients. This step is crucial for ensuring that everyone who needs to be informed is included without being a primary recipient. Enter the primary recipient's email address in the To field, followed by the additional recipients in the CC field. This reaffirms the importance of clear communication, ensuring that the right people receive your message. Now compose your email as you did earlier. This is your opportunity to convey your message effectively. Lastly, click Send to deliver your email. Remember, everyone who receives the email can see the addresses listed in the To and CC fields. If you want to keep recipients' email addresses private, consider using the BCC field instead. This way, you can maintain confidentiality while still sharing your message.